everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy process on how to download Bank of Hope mobile banking application on your Android device quick and easy. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up your Play Store from your app drawer. Now go to the search box at the top of the screen and tap it on. Type in Bank of Hope in the search box and make your search. The application that you are looking for will be displayed at the very top of the screen. If you give it a tap, you'll be able to see further information about the app, its ratings and reviews, and so much more in this page. Simply tap on the install button right beneath the application to begin the downloading process so that you can manage your account for Bank of Hope right from your Android devices whenever you want and wherever you are. With the mobile banking application of Bank of Hope, you can easily manage your account, check your balances, transfer funds, make your payments, text banking, and much more. Once the application is installed and it is ready for use, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right beneath the application. Tap it on to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download the Bank of Hope mobile banking application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.